They are live in a living colors. Upnlive show each and every Tuesday right here, TGM Radio. And you know, as we say, we always go for the best of the best. We always find the most important people into the music, into the space, into the dancehall space right here live in the UK. We bring to you to the rest of the world, right? So if you know about London, UK, you know about parties from the 90s, even the 80s, and you're familiar with the UK scene, you must know or heard of a song called Ring Ding 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 Ding. There's quite a few different artists that's been involved in that song, but we are going to be introducing to you one of the originators of that product. You may not know the name, you may not know the face, but you have heard of his presence in some way, shape, or form in the UK space. People, we're introducing to you the man of the moment right now, Cleos. Cleos, the man with all of the flows, right here in the Upnlive show. Welcome to the show, sir. Good evening.
You see, you Rick. You know, easy, you know.
It bad. What you say, go?
In body.
In body.
Oh, in bad, sir.
I know him bad. Fully bad.
Of course.
Fully bad.
Cleos, welcome to the show, sir. Good evening.
My youth, I got the far night thing, you know. Man go we a ring ding ding star.
But that's
So that's how the issue start, my G.
of course.
We have to forward from there, so.
Oh.
Right.
Yeah, so tell us a little bit about yourself, like your early days.
You know, some early days, when me a flex, and me a youth like Bogle.
So you were born in Jamaica, first of all.
Yeah.
And what community was that?
You know, I'm born and going to a place named Trenchtown.
Trenchtown.
But enough people think of Waterhouse I come from.
So why do you feel that you come from Waterhouse and not Trenchtown?
No, because I left Trenchtown when I a youth and go live at Waterhouse.
Mm.
And like me drop in the place and fit in like a them a born and grow. But you have some people in a place still have a look at issue against me. Like some of them with a face that me a refugee and me I do too much in a place.
Okay.
Them never like that.
So did you go to school into Trenchtown?
Yeah, man. I go to school at Trenchtown and I go to school at Tivoli.
You got Tivoli. So you went to the whole of school, or you went part way and stop?
No, man, I went through the whole of school, man, till 11th grade, man.
Okay.
Go out of college and them thing, man.
Okay.
Go St. Mary's College up above rock. And I take me up there.
Okay. So you have like how many siblings do you have like in the family? Is it you alone, only child, spoiled child, or how it go?
Then I hear me tell them on the mic, man, some mother have 10 boy man and the whole of it rough, man. Mother not have no boy walk like girl and talk like girl.
Yeah.
Why
Why,
a man know what I do, I know what I say. Come here tell you, I have 10 brothers.
10 brothers.
9 brothers.
9 brother, you make 10.
So where you fit in that line? Where you are? Second,
The
third?
second one for my mother, man.
Okay, so you're a leader.
Yeah, car. Even my brother were bigger than, were older than me, me still grew bigger than him.
Okay.
And taller than him, because my bigger brother little like a little bird. I don't know whether little like boy, he's my big brother.
Yeah.
A liquor.
Him just little.
So you go through school now up till 11th grade.
Mm-hmm.
And why we say work, or you say you go college after, right? You say you go college after.
St. Mary College.
St. Mary College.
Mm-hmm.
So what did you study in school?
Me that the POB, you know, me that the principal of business when me go up there, but most I'm a thing up there, so I like football thing.
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Cause when I go high school, when you reach a certain part, when you reach high school, you do 9th grade, you reach a 10th grade, you have to pick a trade.
Yeah.
Cause it's a comprehensive high school.
Yeah.
So me they go 10 tailoring, me they go 10 T.
Okay.
That's what I'm going to learn.
That's how you go learn.
See?
That's where the
That's where the
fashion
fashion thing
Yeah,
from.
me they go,
Yeah.
me they go 10 T and 11 T. I go 10 tailoring, 11 tailoring. I boy near Udo's. I teach me tailoring, but it's not a man where, through me, I'm come from the same community, not to check for me.
Okay.
So I'm not too interested in me. As a man, as a teacher, just woman in my deal with, the girl in my with in school. Him not to teach.
And now to get you involved. So alright, you left school now. You decided to start money now and all these things. What was the first employment?
You know, so I just sew and I make t-shirt. I'm also t-shirt I start make and cut up and sell and shorts and them things. Me I do. I start sell with me auntie, because my auntie sell button and thread and them things. And through me done
In
know
the-
about them things in the fashion. I just start sew and sell things and
Start
start
sell
make
what?
things, clothes and start make things
So-
for most of
Okay.
them.
That was downtown Kingston,
But
right?
downtown Kingston, me there.
In the market, straight up, see you.
From Orange Street, all about
Straight
in our
down.
town.
Okay,
Yeah, so anybody know Jamaica, know Orange Street, know all of them place there.
of course.
Right back to parade.
Makes sense. So let's talk about the transfer now. What was your first entry to UK? What year was it?
You know, in 95, I come to England first.
What was the reason? Was it a vacation or you coming up on a business or what?
Boy, you know, say, I'm a big mother bring me to England.
Okay.
Mm.
When I'm a big mother, my big daughter mother bring me to England now. But I never to like England.
Why? Now tell me say it cool.
Boy, when I come to England, I used to dream some of the foreign. But when I reach off England, I tell my big mother, son of that foreign I'm
Wrong one.
I'm wrong foreign this.
Foreign, that was that.
Somebody big mother cuss me and said the first water hogs in bed.
Yeah.
We had talk about I should bring everybody come and influence me. I said, I not for go back down. But me determined for go back down. I never like the foreigner. I said the foreigner too cold and dark.
And
Yeah.
Them time the England never have them light posts. Some look a short post.
Yeah.
With some look a lamp upon it.
yeah, we know them.
Cool. I said, no, sir. When people talk to me, I don't understand what they say.
It's talking the Queen English, mate. English, mate.
And then my baby mother bring me a country, bring me a place near Wolverhampton. Long that's a double
Over-
cold.
Yeah, true.
And I said, no, I can't.
So you wasn't pleasing. All right. So, people.
So that means say you didn't come here in London, it's Wolverhampton. You first
Wolverhampton,
come to-
I go
okay.
when I come. I never come to London.
Oh, okay.
Is your
So-
first.
So how did you transition from there to here?
No, me used to know one of English girl I met at Jamaica. Because me through me a
Okay.
party man a yard, me and bogle them every man every night street. Enough English girl know me from a yard.
Okay.
So when me come down in their country, them a tease me, say me a real sheep when me a do a country. Me to come to London.
So you turned Cheever that Wolverhampton.
Yeah, them a say place where you don't have the hard place that do.
So but you know, people know you for the fashion, for the flair, for the work of speech and all these things. Obviously, you said you was friends with Bogle. Is that where that matured from, or the inspiration for being the creative side?
You know, say I not really that it mature from me. Have my style. Bogle love my style, but Bogle knows me private with my thing.
Yeah.
But him go out and say everything. But me we have the thing them for say and nah say nothing. And leave it. Say me always I say me have the cool thing and I nah put them out. And I say no, I'm not love it away there. So me did have my even a dancing, Bogle is world best dancer, you know. But even a dancing, you know, so I never look at one or I look at two style hot.
Yeah.
So him know say because me used to dance for all weird sat and them thing there.
Okay.
Yeah.
At Jamaica, you know. Ring ding and them thing, them know. Me and a youth name, Mondays. So him know, so we have that. We have a look at thing about it.
So you have the dancing in your DNA from long time.
So I mean, the only dancer when I Bogle, you know. Every dancer Bogle, you know. And the dance when I Bogle do is a part of Michael Jackson.
Yeah.
Or a boy named James Brown.
Yeah.
But me not Bogle. Me the only dancer when I Bogle.
Cleos,
Every
that one
dancer
there.
where you say I dance, I Bogle them a Bogle.
Cleos,
So
that one there.
hold on. Speaking of Bogle, so what happened to the dance side of Cleos when you transition from Jamaica to UK? Did was you still a dancer or you just give that up?
I get too cool.
Me never. People never have me as no dancer. People just have me as a muggle or a poser. They just say Cleos pose there.
Yeah.
But now people want to know some could have dance.
So, all right, let's move it a little bit forward. Ring ding. Let's start ring ding. How did that start? How did that family? Because there's a whole heap of different story me hear about the ring ding. I'm want to hear your side of the story now.
You know, so I'm not to go to that part there.
No, you don't have to
You
go
not
too
go
deep.
in
Just
depth, just touch on
shallow
it a little.
waters.
So people like me, cause me no know about ring ding.
Ring
So
ding
you have to
ding.
educate me.
Ring ding to lie. I mean, I want to look like me a liar too. So we have to just love it. You hear that I tell you, big man thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ring ding ding, a ring ding ding story to lie.
What
me
a
no
lie
want to-
tell.
Yeah, be a lie. So me no want to look like me a liar.
But that's why. But if you tell the truth, then people will know the truth, and then people can. People, no, it not hurt nobody. I understand you. It's okay if you don't answer, but we understand people. The truth will always remain the truth, and people will always have sense and pick out send from nonsense. So I'll leave it there. It's up to
Yeah,
you.
because the people them don't get that sense if I tell them say ring ding ding too, like the people them understand.
Because I hear a lot of story where you always come up as reference that you were one of the instrumental person in the ring ding story.
The whole England know that, man. All school children of Jamaica know that. Because my daughter them at school and my daughter them I go high school. I that them choir thing where them step on them choir in a house party, class party.
Yeah.
Okay.
You hear me I tell you? So
Okay.
even the school children of Jamaica know that. So we don't have to even go down the road with them.
Okay.
All
All right. Let's leave.
So the 31st of August is coming up.
Yeah.
What's happening on the 31st of August?
You know me I plan to keep a little birthday party still.
For yourself.
The 31st of August, your
Yeah,
birthday?
and it's not my birthday, my born June.
Okay, but COVID kind of push it back to August.
Yeah, and so
Alright.
the festive season, carnival and them thing, I say I want to get the people them something different.
So talk to us about what's going to happen on the 31st.
I want to do a little thing like, with no more about 30, 35 people. Social distance.
Right.
Because we still have to keep it that way.
Yes.
Yes.
I remember Corona.
Yes.
I remember COVID and keep the
Right.
law
Right.
in our hand at all time. Because
So-
we can't go against government policy.
So a party name now.
The party name, Carnival Party, is Calypso versus Reggae.
Right.
So you have a section of Calypso play and Reggae.
So them 35 people are going to forward out and get a touch of this and a touch of this
Yeah.
from them two genres, right?
Yeah, may I keep it well limited.
So is it similar to like a carnival vibe?
Yeah.
Like who
And it's
really
not-
go carnival and go everywhere,
Would-
like the
would get
corner
the feel.
and go back at the truck and everywhere. So you get the dance hall at the corner, at the
Yeah.
side street them, and the main carnival on the road, on the track.
Yeah, something
Yeah.
similar to that.
And then so that's going to happen. Are you going to be telling us today where the location is, or is to be announced on the day of the
It
event?
have to announce by the day of the
You know, have to
event.
announce on the day of the
And not
event,
even,
my G.
me can't even talk, me not even gonna put out
No.
no postcode, no that's all. If people want, a limited amount of people may I make that. And if people want to know, they go send out a number
Yeah.
and them call a number there.
You know,
Forget the
you know have a
postcode.
number. Talk to people that are watching us.
No, I can't send out the number yet till the day.
Okay, cool. So
On a
what?
day
So,
that-
so tell me something now. What if we get more than 35? What are you gonna do? Run with people?
No, me I turn back people.
You
No,
got-
he is abiding
So
by,
it's
by
by
the
the
So
rules
first
of the
come,
country.
first
Yeah.
serve.
Serve. Yeah.
Right. So persons who want to go to Calypso
Yes.
versus Reggae, when they forward out, well, pre the information, look out for the number, look out for the postcode, and reach early and go have a good time, right?
Yeah, and then a
Right.
late thing. It's not an igloo thing where you bring the igloo and
Because
everything.
you're going to sell the alcohol.
No, me not sell the alcohol.
You're going to give it free alcohol.
Yeah, me I go kind of
So
give to who.
go give
Forget.
to who forward. Right.
Yeah.
Who forget get and who no forget and who just don't
Oh,
get.
forget no.
Right.
Simple.
So therefore, we can look out for Cleos at any more headphone parties about a dance with the swagging.
Yeah, man, me I go always there at party. Me say we start the party them, you know.
Always, ever early though.
Exactly.
Listen,
Alright.
ladies and gentlemen, no, hold on. You see them people will come out 2:30 and 3 o'clock in the morning. You see man like Cleos?
Yes.
Check the time when him forward a party, but then again another day, so not
Ah,
gonna
but
know.
no.
Right.
Early, man. Remember, say we start party, you know, and put the peanut party. All right, you see to the way we party hard.
Yeah.
Them draw a party card. And I nothing more than that.
The talks and the slangs,
Yeah.
you've been having them for years. And me see you make one night here. I'm still
Can't
want-
catch it.
Alright, listen, what more you do right now for me? I want you to just do the talk. Jack and the press a sound effect, I don't know.
Give me
Do
one
that,
minute.
give
Give me 1
that
minute
talk
time.
there. The bad talk. Me call.
What you say? Why you the bad talk?
Yeah.
I'm saying body fully bad. I know him bad. Bad, sir. Real bad.
Yeah.
I bad. I eat that.
But people, you want to hear it when you might do it live
Pardon
in
the
the
mic. Pardon the
atmosphere.
talk afford.
It's just so persuasive.
Yes.
And then, yeah, trust me, we need to have a proper sit down and have a
Yeah.
reason other than the promotional
Aspect
sitting
of-
what we're having right now.
That's
Because
true.
I think you have a whole heap of issue where we need to talk about.
Mm-hmm.
But we just need a more
Detailed.
detailed.
Show.
Well,
Show
I know.
or talk.
I want to tell you a little part. Remember me coming up and take the mic, you know, and tell them, say, you know, say some boy are NCs.
And that one they were like,
And then cuss me. And say, me not for call up the people them NCs.
Why?
Me don't know why me not for say NCs. Them fight my slang and then know me say man I do song with my slang.
who I do song with your song? Call name.
Then I see what do the.
Me
This
don't
is
know
my
what
friend
you're
that
talking
boss do the tune. I say chalala, them are ensigns.
So that boss take a
Yeah.
talk.
Him not take my time. I say me and him under
Him borrow it then.
a regime now.
Okay.
Me just give him the song and him sing the song.
Yeah.
I say
Okay.
it all.
No,
right.
but which one out, Jagan? You what?
Now you make your point first.
Which one out? Because right now is a very. I have to choose my words carefully. I know because
Yeah,
why
true.
me, you know.
Capital.
It's a good competition. Let me put it as simple as that. Because Dan Bass is a person who is very creative with the slangs.
Very, very, very creative.
And he's very effective with him.
Yep.
But also you have Cleos who is very effective with them talk. So which one I want to bother?
Well, guess what? We're going to put on a clash of slags.
Nah, man. With slang, him not. Him is a more DJ. Him a DJ. Me will give the slang and him do the song. Him a more DJ the thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
But him not have that weird. That's not him for make talk and corporate talk. For you make talk, you know, you have to have talk with shot, you know. You have to have talk with people talk about, you know.
Yeah.
Because me I tell you, if I tell them say them bad, everybody go ask me if him bad. And me I say fully bad. And people go say, no, him bad.
Is that no bad?
And I say him bad, so. Yeah, man. If I say bad, everybody go say bad, man.
Of
Bad.
course.
Yeah.
All right.
And people say him bad.
Him bad.
Because I'm tell you something. People know me. People know so I not tell a lie. If I say him bad, him bad. I not tell fools that them bad.
So as Cleos, like
Makes-
quick thing, tell us something that many people don't know in the UK about Cleos. We want them to take from this interview what they didn't know about Cleos.
Enough people don't know, so me a singer, actor, writer, dancer,
Boss a song for me
composer,
now, please. But
fashion designer. Enough people don't know that.
me know,
He's a
boss a
singer,
song for
actor,
me.
dancer,
Yeah, I'm
fashion
multi-talented.
designer, composer.
Yeah, promoter,
Yeah.
show off. I'm multi-talented. Me a
Show
singer,
off.
actor, writer.
So you can boss a tune now?
Them not still have another tune. I'm a bad man with a bad attitude. I don't tell about bad man. Chase him a belief of face. I will put you in a place.
So anyway,
But don't tell us
let's
about
talk
that.
about that now as I touch on this bleaching thing. Like from me know Cleos, me know you're brown. How long you been bleaching?
How we make bleaching, man? Me and a youth of the America, man. Tone down ourselves and look so. People are wonder, say, how them look a boy and face clean and pretty. Say, be a girl, see when all I touch your face. And we like the attention there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
'Cause
So-
it bring on girl to you.
So if like me as I just come here, I want bleach. What's the
Yeah.
remedy? What
Me don't
where
know a
you
man
use?
remedy that man. I forgot check him.
Where you use?
phone and
Where you
everything.
use for the bleaching? Where you for the bleaching remedy?
Me not-
What is your bleaching? No, but what is your bleaching?
You know,
remedy?
say, me not even have no bleaching remedy. The more time
Yes,
I just
mix-
all use all some nothing all I just smooth down my thing.
Yeah.
And my thing sassy cool. I cool me want cool now.
Sassy
you want
cool.
I just want sassy cool like the artists of America. Because every artist America them places. And them ton artists them get brown I know. Yeah, 50 cent all of them you know. So it's that thing. If I even have the powder them put it and powder them down.
Yeah.
I want my thing for clean man.
Ah,
I want
boss.
my thing for always
But
clean.
isn't the bleaching kind of get pricey at some point?
I not too bad I watch price, you know, because I have my bleaching partner, I have all kind of partner, and I have drinking partner, I have dancing partner, where me and them partner thing, where them give me and me give them.
Yeah,
Yeah.
So I have a drinking partner, them more time me and them drink. As some living on earth.
yeah.
I share with people and people share back
So
with me. thing not
some
too-
more when the money not boss, you can check your bleaching partner and say
Yeah,
yeah, some
ah.
aerobins.
Ah,
Okay, alright.
I have a drinking partner, my dancing partner. I have some
Yeah.
girl, people that think say me and them there, but me and them, me and them have just dancing partner.
Of course.
I'm a virgin them and me and them drink. I'm a drinking partner.
All right. See,
And
the next dance we'll go. Right. What part with Cleos forget the dancing part.
Of course.
You understand?
And
Yeah,
people, if you don't want to follow and know a bit about
Cleos.
Cleos, the dancing, the extravaganza, the style, the flair,
Songwriter, yeah.
you can follow him at social medias, please, if you have any.
Yeah, man, can I follow my Cleos Strong man on Facebook, man. My name Cleos Imla on Instagram, man.
Yes.
Them two things them I not up on nothing else.
All right.
Okay,
then.
wicked. And the party is going to be on the 31st
Monday.
Yeah, man.
Monday.
Early thing, all day thing, man. And a late night thing. And a joke out thing in a dark corner.
All
I like
right.
that something. Light me I go under.
All right.
Of course.
then,
I
boss.
remember no NCs.
No.
of. No
end.
insist.
Yeah.
No NCs.
Yeah, insist thing.
Thank you very much for joining us this evening. You know, we wish all the best for the party coming up. People, do stick and stay. That was Cleos Close.